In this video, I'll quickly show you how to print from Canva. So first, you need to launch your web browser and then go to canva.com and open a project that you want to print. Tap on Share in the top right corner and then Download. I recommend downloading it first and make sure that the file type is PDF print and then tap on Download in the bottom. And once the design has been downloaded on your device, go ahead and open it. Now tap on this print option in the top right corner of your screen that is between download and the three dots. Go ahead and tap on that. Choose your printer, select color or black and white, and then click on print. So that's all you need to know about printing from Canva. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.